Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you share screen on Google Meet. So guys, it's a very easy process. At first, just go to the Google Meet app, this one, and after going to the app, click on the bottom right here, new option. You need to create a new meeting to share screen. So click the top option here, create a new meeting, the blue one. After selecting it, here you can see join meeting option, click on it. After clicking, here you can see share screen option under your view, click on it. After clicking it, click on the bottom right continue option, and here you can see your screen is shared. So guys, that's how you can share screen on Google Meet. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.